Not everyone can handle a cold turkey, stop eating pizza kind of self-control. Not everyone's got a steel mindset like that. When you're young, you don't care about stuffing yourself with pizza and burgers any time of day. But when you get to more mature and you feel some aches in your joints and muscles, you become more conscious and interested in a healthy lifestyle. There is truth in the old adage, health is wealth. And I will share with you in just a moment what the health organizations have to say about the men's health situation today. Welcome, my friends. I'm here with another video on how easy it is to transition to a healthy paleo lifestyle. I will share the facts and the hacks about this lifestyle and give you as much information as I can so you can make an informed decision to get on with it and begin to seriously consider taking care of your body no matter what your age is. But if you're already on this diet, good for you. Let us know in the comments below. Share your experience with us and tell us how your lifestyle is working for you. Also, click the link in the description of this video to access your free one-day keto-friendly meal plan. This is Gerald, your health coach and chef. Let's begin. According to the CDC, or the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, coronary artery disease is the most common heart disease in the United States. This condition leads to heart attacks when left unresolved. The CDC says 357,761 American men died of heart disease in 2019, representing 1 in every 4 male deaths. The agency also reveals that men live shorter lives than women. They say men's life expectancy is on average 78 years, while women's average life expectancy is 83 years. And that heart disease is the leading cause of death in men each year. Know that, resolve to make changes one step at a time. We will help you make that wise decision by showing you how you can make an easy switch. Heart disease is a reversible disease. It can be cured, and if you make immediate changes in your lifestyle. For people who are new to our channel, we have not seen our videos on paleo. Here is an overview of the paleo lifestyle. Generally, paleo is a diet high in protein, moderate in unsaturated fats like avocado, avocado oil, olives, salmon, mackerel, low to moderate carbohydrates with restriction on high glycemic index carbohydrates like potatoes, rice, pasta, pizza, breads, and high in fiber and low in sodium and refined sugars. You can check out our video on paleo to know more about this diet, like what foods are allowed and its benefits. Paleo is not just the best diet for men, but for all people, I must say. For this video, we will focus on how to transition to this lifestyle and make it as easy as possible. If you have been nurtured and bred on the Western grub, you might think you are not and could not live on a paleo diet. I get it. I thought so too. But it can be done. I did it, and I'm still alive and healthier too, if I may add. So, let's get into the steps you can take to make that healthy transition. First, make an inventory of all your groceries. Check it against the list of foods to avoid and the foods allowed under paleo. We have a separate video on this. Then, decide which of your groceries you would like to stop buying. Start with what is doable for you as a start. Don't go cold turkey if you cannot sustain it, because it will only lead you to drop paleo altogether. Find out what is workable for you. Just as a warning though, do not compare your weight loss or body changes with someone who is on a 100% paleo lifestyle. The changes in your body definitely will not be as dramatic as someone who is 100% paleo. But don't despair. You'll get there, champ. Just not as fast. In the meantime, deplete your stocks of all paleo-unfriendly foods and resolve not to buy them again, and replace them with paleo-friendly foods. However, your goal should remain to be eat healthy, all right? I mean, wean yourself out of those unhealthy foods, and not just replace unhealthy foods with paleo versions of those foods. What do I mean? Okay, if you are a bread kind of guy, you must remember grains are not paleo-friendly. So maybe weaning yourself out of Western cravings. You may eat bread using almond flour or tapioca flour to satisfy those few cravings, stress on a few. But eventually, you must learn to train your palate to shift. Did you know that eating a healthy, protein-rich meal curbs your cravings? Because protein reduces ghrelin production, and ghrelin is a hunger hormone. Less ghrelin means less hunger pangs. So, stock up on protein-rich foods. Snack on walnuts, almonds, macadamias, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Instead of reaching out for a muffin, snack on these healthy, fiber-rich seeds and nuts. If you ever want carbs, what carbs are paleo-friendly? High fiber and unrefined root crops like sweet potatoes, carrots, beets, and turnips. Sweet potatoes come in purple and orange yam varieties, but my favorite are white sweet potatoes. They taste great with roasted garlic or fresh horseradish. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, so you can eat them instead of bread or rice. Boil, grill, or roast them, they taste great. Just a quick tip, before grilling sweet potatoes, sprinkle them with salt, coriander, chili powder, and cumin. Then drizzle lightly with olive oil. Grill them until they are a little charred and tender, about 6 to 8 minutes. They make great substitutes for the fast food, highly processed French fries. FYI, a 100-gram serving of sweet potatoes contains 20 grams of carbohydrates, just right for a low-carb diet. Don't think you will be deprived of doing paleo? Even when eating with our friends, you can order fish or steak with salads and still live a paleo lifestyle. You will not feel left out or eating less. If you truly understand the paleo lifestyle, you will know how to eat wisely. When you do paleo right, you will feel full longer. And when you are feeling full, you will not feel deprived. Even if you see bread and desserts in front of you, because your ghrelin hormone, the hunger hormone, remember, will be restrained, subdued, and dormant. Second, learn as much as you can about paleo and open your mind to trying new foods and new recipes. Check out our videos on paleo recipes and try one recipe at a time. Incorporate each recipe into your diet or meals. This will train your palate to new food experiences. We feature traditional recipes with paleo twists, so you will not be overwhelmed. Do not be afraid to explore and experiment. If you found a better and new way of doing a recipe, please share it with us. We highly encourage the sharing of information. We will continue to feature more recipes in the next few weeks. Watch out for them. If you have recipes or questions, let us know. We can try them in our test kitchen and let you know the results. We want this channel to be interactive and engaging, and we can only do that in partnership with you. We really appreciate your contribution. Third, exercise. Remember, paleo is a lifestyle, not a diet trend. We don't endorse just the food part, but the complete lifestyle. I know, you might think, diet and exercise? Too much. But hey, you want to avoid coronary artery disease, right? So get on it. Besides, we will not tell you to go to CrossFit when you can barely lift your groceries, but you do need to start somewhere, right? You need to condition your body first before you can do hardcore exercises. So, to start, try to do a brisk walk at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes. Then, when you can do that without sweating profusely, increase it to 1 hour, 3 times a week. And then later, move up to adding basic squats. You can do this exercise in the comfort of your own home, and it has a lot of benefits. For one, it strengthens your core, and when you have a strong core, you have better balance and posture. It makes everyday, regular movements easier for you. Secondly, a strong core strengthens your tendons, ligaments, and bones, which reduces your risk of injury. Third, strengthening your lower body muscles, which means your glutes, hamstrings, and calves, makes getting out of bed or sitting in a chair very easy and painless for a lot of people with muscle tissue problems. When you are doing these basic exercises effortlessly, you definitely should be seeing and feeling major improvements in your body. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any dietary trends or questions you want us to feature, please drop us a line in the comments below. Share your questions and we will try our best to answer them for you. By the way, before I forget, why not take a picture of your before and after paleo lifestyle journey and share your before and after pics. That should be encouraging to all of our viewers. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video has encouraged you to start on a paleo healthy lifestyle, not just for a week or a month, but for good. Oh, and don't forget to click the link in the description for your one-day keto-friendly meal plan. Then hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red, and watch this next playlist to find out how you can quit sugar for good.